Yo, 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 guys, it's Joe with Tic Tac Go. And today we are going to open up a new premiere, a new series of episodes called The Collector's Corner. The first episode today is going to feature this month's original Boombox High End baseball cards. Alright, so with the subscription and it's monthly, and it's pretty cool. You just never know what you're going to get. Get a top loader case there. And we've got some baseball stuff to open. So we've got some Topps 2020, some Topps Chrome, 2020 Heritage, another Topps 2020, Bowman Draft, and Bowman's Best. So let's see if we can get a cool relic or autograph card today, and we'll cross our fingers. Alright, so Bowman's Best is first. We're going to open this up here and see what we've got. Like I said, sometimes you get some good hits in these, sometimes you don't. And we'll just kind of see what we can get here. Trent Grisham. Ooh, Luis Robert. That's a cool card. Power Producers, Robert Hassel. That's a really cool shiny card. Hey, we've got our autograph here. Top Certified Autograph, Michael Chavis. That's pretty cool. And a Manny Machado. So not bad for the first pack. Already hit an auto. Alright, another Bowman Draft here. So we're going to open it up here, see what we got. Fingers are crossed. Josh Stelmont. J.P. Crawford. Richie Martin. Cody Jones. It's a cool different card. Josh Bell. Tyler Beatty. And Kyle Zimmer. Alright, Topps Heritage. We'll see what we got here. Hopefully something good. Tyler Clippard. Adrian Hauser. Jacoby Jones from my hometown Tigers. Former Tiger, Alex Avila. That's cool. Alec Mills. Yoenis Cespedes. Daniel Hudson. Josh Fegley. And Franklin Barreto. Alright, Topps Chrome. Let's see what we got here. It's giving me a hard time. There we go. Alright. Ooh, Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie. That's pretty cool. That's a neat card. Aaron Savali. Vlad Guerrero Jr. And this is a rookie as well. And Alex Young. So I may have to look into maybe getting the Guerrero Jr. and the Tatis Jr. slabbed and graded. We'll see. I'll have to look into that. Not bad. And we'll wrap it up with Topps 2020, which can be make it or break it. We'll see if we get anything good here. I've not had the best of luck with these, though. Mike Trout. Bryce Wilson. Alex Reyes. Daniel Descalso. Asdrubal Cabrera. Tyler Wade. Yoenis Cespedes. Logan Forsythe. Thomas Nitto. Sixto Sanchez, #1 prospect. Zach Greinke. Peter Lambert. Mr. Clayton Kershaw. And Jesus Tinoco. Alright guys, last one. Let's see what we get here. 45 cards in this pack. Asher Wojciechowski. It's a hard last name to say. Travis Shaw. Stevie Wilkerson. Chase Anderson. Adam Engel. Eric Mejia. Alex Blandino. Mike King. Dustin Garneau. Jordan Alvarez, that's cool. That's a rookie card. Jose Altuve. Alex Avila. Aaron Judge, one of my favorites. Jordan Montgomery. Trent Grisham. Josh Fegley. David McKay. It's in the Tigers 40-man roster. Richard Blair. Diego Castillo. Josh Tomlin. Andrew Knizer. Time to Party, Bogarts and Devers. That's a Red Sox card. Taylor Ward. Donovan Solano. Robinson Cano. Kurt Caselli. Cody Stashik. Brandon Dixon, Tiger. Max Scherzer, former Tiger. Jordan Lyles. Gleyber Torres. Mookie Betts. Nestor Cortez. Mr. Hechavarria. Justin Verlander, former Tiger as we know it. Todd Frazier. Adolis Garcia. Logan Morrison. Kyle Gibson. Robinson Chirinos. Drew Butera. Another Brandon Dixon. Another Todd Frazier. That's a different kind of card though. Inaugural season. That's kind of cool. Shogo Akiyama. Mike Schmidt. And #1 prospect Dalton Varsho. Like I said, I feel like it's impossible to pull an auto out of these Topps 2020, but pretty cool. Happy to get one certified autograph today. Some other cool high-end rookie cards. Not a bad month from the original Boombox. And again, if you ever want to get a subscription, you can get a monthly subscription. This is the high-end baseball pull. I think it's like 60, 70 bucks a month. And it's pretty cool. You just never know what you get. If you like to rip packs and see what you can get as far as baseball cards, it's a good option. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in to the initial episode of the Collector's Corner. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll talk soon.